Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the TurboTax Headquarters Center. The TurboTax Headquarters Center that the company is a software packages for your preparation of American income tax returns, and it's produced by the Intuit Incorporated Company. That the company it is established in 1984. The TurboTax is a dominated market leader in its product segment. Its competitors include the H&R Block Tax of the Software, and the Tax Act. Intuit, the maker of the TurboTax, has lobbied expensively against the Internal Revenue Services, the creating its own online system for the tax filing, and as the part of the agreement with the IRS, the TurboTax allowed to individual making less than of the $66,000 a year, and it is used for the free of your versions of the TurboTax. A 2019 the ProPublica investigation released that TurboTax your deliberately make these versions hard to find, and that is depictively your street individual who search for the free versions to the TurboTax versions that cost. The TurboTax had tricked military services member to pay to use the filing software by the creating and the promoting a military discount, and by the making of the free version hard to find when many of the services member are in the fact eligible to use the software for free. Intuit, it author of the investigation by the multiple state autonomous general as well as the New York Department of the Financial Services. The TurboTax packages was the originally developed by the Mickles, a champion of the your ChipSoft in mid 1984. Now is that the TurboTax, it is a consumer tax group. It is based in the California. Intuit Corporation, which own the Intuit, it had headquarter in the California. There are a number of the different various types of the including the TurboTax Deluxe, TurboTax Premier, and etc. The TurboTax is available for the federal and state income tax return services. The software is designed to guide users to through their tax returns step by step. The TurboTax software provides that the taxpayer additional support for their self-prepared return by the offering audit defenses from the Tax Resources Incorporated Services. The TurboTax federal software is released late in the year, and the state software is released mid-January to mid-February. The TurboTax normally release its new version as soon as the IRS completed version to the form and the approve the TurboTax versions, and usually late in the tax year. The process is similar for the state that collect your income tax. The TurboTax save the financial institution password entered by the users to services at the um, Intuit, and had the home computer including. And now this also to be a written at kind of the boot track. The version of the 2003 the TurboTax software contained digital rights management that the tracked whether it had previously been installed on a computer by the writing on the sector 33 on the hard drive. This allows to it track if it was on a computer previously, even that the through reinstalling the operating system. This also accused it is conflict with some of the boot uh, loader that store of the data they are rendering through of these computer unbootable. So hope you guys like this video, then please like and share and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you for watching, guys.